It was adorable. This is exactly what I needed. Those are so cute. No way it shows my face the whole time. That's crazy. Oh, I hope I did that. Oh, I really hope I did that right. Hey guys, hello and welcome to it. Oh my goodness. I filmed this entire first part of this video already, this whole intro, the first literal 20 minutes, and my camera died in the middle of it and corrupted the file. So, unfortunately, I lost it all, but fortunately, I also filmed it on my phone at the same time, most of it, except for like the actual talking and intro part, so that'll be like right now, what we're doing right here right now. So I thought maybe I could use the iPhone video, and it'll be vertical just for the first part of the video. I'll try and shorten it a lot more than it was so that you don't have to watch a vertical video forever, but then it'll transform into the actual normal video again, so don't fear, it'll be good again. So sorry in advance, not excited about it, but obviously I don't have the means to go and re-unbox all the packages. I already opened it all, so can't really redo that part. But today we're going to be customizing my Nintendo Switch. I wanted to redo the case and the different accessories because the ones I got when I first got the new Switch 2 didn't really even fit. Like there was no space in the back of the case for the kickstand to come out, so I found some new options today that I wanted to show. We'll have two different customizations, some fun new accessories like the camera, and try out some games. So let's go ahead and get on into it. Okay guys, I have been collecting tons and tons of Nintendo Switch accessories. Most of it honestly I purchased, and a few things have been PR, and I thought it'd be fun to do a little customizing and decorating my Switch 2. This is the brand new Nintendo Switch 2 that came out in June. We've been absolutely loving it. I love the new controllers. All of our friends have just been raving every time they all come over and we play Mario Kart and all the Switch games. It has just been so much fun. So that would be a good idea to customize a few little things on it. We have everything from little dock covers to a few options of different thumb controller cover thing. Another case that actually has a spot for the, what's that? Call it the stand, and screen protectors and everything. So let's go ahead and start decorating. Let's try out these dock faceplate covers. I've been so excited about these. So these are from Personal Loot. I do have some sort of either affiliate link or a code with them. I will put it all down in the description or here on the screen. See our first one. Oh my gosh, so cute. Okay, here is how the first one would look when it's all put together. Adorable. Oh my gosh, I love that one. All right, number 2, so cute. Okay. Then we have just an all white neutral one. It's super cute boho pattern that I just love. Okay guys, which one should we put on? Pretty sure I have to do the pink. Okay, so basically, these are dock covers. I believe it literally just, oh wow, yeah, that fits so perfect. It just slides right on. Just kind of sits around it like that. Oh my word, that is so cute. That's going to look so good by our TV. Oh, the blue. So cute. I love these little flowers. They're so cute. Okay, that's number 2. Aw, that is so cute. Honestly, this one would probably match our living room the best, but I like the pink, so we're gonna go put the pink one back on. That is precious. So cute. Okay, now we have our dock cover. Let's start customizing the actual Switch. I'm gonna do this blue combo first because I do think I'm going to like the second combo the best. Here's the case. Oh, wow. You know, I actually kind of like that this one's like hard. Okay, then the controller covers. Cute. Ooh, okay. What do we think? I kind of like this, honestly. We have like a neon, kind of almost pastel blue, but not. So cute. Let's see what it would look like though with these added on. Got these different button covers. Can't remember if I got Switch 1 or Switch 2 button covers. I will say this case is already like not really staying on, so I'm not sure if this one is worth the money, but it's fun. I'm gonna use little flowers. Here's how customization number 1 turned out. We have the blue, we have the flowers. I love those, they're so cute. Let's see what it looks like on the dock now, of course. Dock test. Okay, it does still fit with the case on, thankfully. I know that was like one of my biggest questions on my initial one that I posted. Everyone was like, does it still fit on the dock? And this one does, so cute. All right, I'm ready for the next one though. I'm really excited about the next customization. thought maybe if I got blue, it would be cute because Keegan, my husband, does use this switch a lot also. So I was trying to be a little more, you know, gender inclusive and not make everything pink. So, because I know when we were like in the airport playing it, he's like, I'm literally playing on like a pink floral switch. I was like, that's just the best. Okay, here's the next one. I'm obsessed. So cute. And then it has, oh wow, these are 2-piece. Ooh. Okay. It has controller plates as well. So let's go ahead. Honestly though, actually, I think we should put on a screen protector. I got this sent to me from Belkin. It is the tempered glass blue light filter screen protector. So we will put this on. Just making a whole mess over here, but you know, that's okay. Okay, I'm assuming this is a popular opinion, but I hate putting on screen protectors. Always so much pressure, but I have high hopes. Oh, high hopes for this one. It's like so much pressure to like make sure there's not a speck of dust. Oh, I feel like I just added more. Okay, I do love though when there is a case like that. Oh yeah, this is gonna be great. Okay, then I'm going to take this out. The one, hold it by these tabs. No. Oh, I hope I did that. Oh, I really hope I did that right. Oh, wow. No going back now. I just took that off from what I did that for. Okay, wait, I think I might have killed that actually. I just need to get out all these bubbles. Okay, low-key killed that. That looks so good. Can't even really tell there's one on there. That makes me feel a lot better. I was kind of getting worried about accidentally breaking the screen, so that's awesome. Okay, highly recommend that. That wasn't painful at all. I'm gonna pack up some of my trash here. All right, let's get into the fun part. I'm most excited about this. I'm wondering, ooh. Oh, that's so cute. These are so cute. Okay, now we put the case on. Wow, this one fits a lot better than the last one. And we can actually use the stand. Love to see that. Oh my gosh, but the front, so cute. Now, I have a vision. I have these cute little things. You can see that's what the full pack looks like. And I would like to use only the little coffee there. But we will see if these will fit. I'm kind of scared. These things are so fun and they look so cute, but honestly, they're a pain to get on. And then I feel like I take one hard turn in Mario Kart and the thing just falls right off. And it's a lost cause, but we will do it. Maybe. Got one on. Oh, it's so cute. All right, introducing my cute little coffee cups. Those are so cute. I am obsessed, that's adorable. This is like very much giving cozy gaming. Let's do a test to see if it'll fit in here. Okay, this one is a little more snug, but hey, it still fit, I think. Pretty sure it's plugged in, yeah. This is adorable. This is exactly what I needed. All right, next accessory, we have a new travel case. So I have a few cases for it, but this one is actually like the most aesthetic option, I think. I love tan. So let's see what it looks like. Okay, we've got space over here, SD cards, please. Game card slots. And then here's the spot for it. Oh my gosh, that just looks so pretty. I feel like this is the most pretty setup I've ever had. I want to take this all inside to our TV, which is where we usually have it. I haven't tried it like with my monitor or anything ever. I've only been playing it on our TV with friends. We just play a lot of the social games, but I do want to download a few games. I think on it, maybe. We'll see. There's a few new ones I keep seeing things about. So maybe we can go inside, set up the new dock and the cover. I also got the camera that I've been wanting to set up and try out and then see what it all looks like. Okay guys, it is the next day and I'm ready to set up our extra accessories and actually, you know, set this up. I was just watching the new Taylor Swift New Heights podcast episode. It's so sweet so far. Had to let you guys know. But okay, still absolutely obsessed with how this looks. The little coffee cups are killing me. But honestly, this TV is huge. It's a mammoth. And usually we just stick our Switch like behind it. So let's see how that looks. Oh, I mean, it's still cute. It's better than just a black little box. So let's go ahead and plug this in. Okay, now let's go ahead and set this thing up. I'm so excited. Wait, it's so cute. Okay, that's in front of our TV right now. I guess I do have another shelf I could put it on. Maybe that would be a better idea. Let's see. I'm not sure if I want it like in front of our TV all the time. That would be kind of annoying. If we just did something like that, maybe, and tilt it up. Okay, now what? Okay, so that's what I've been looking for. Oh my gosh, that's me. Oh, the way it's getting Apollo is so funny. Wait, this is so fun. So I wonder how this works with multiple people. That's me. Oh my gosh, I am so curious if this works with multiple people. Like if my friends were here on my couch, if it would pick up everybody, or if it's only like a one-person thing. I'll try it with Keegan later. Oh, I've got this. No way it shows my face the whole time. That's crazy. Aw. Let's go. Okay, that is super fun. I'm so glad I got the camera. I can't wait to try it out with more people, like I said, or actually maybe even playing with friends from afar. I have a few other tech YouTuber friends that added me, and that could be fun. I'm pretty sure they have the camera. So fun. Okay, I'm trying to look for a new game to play. I don't know. I want a fun, cozy game, but I low-key get kind of bored of cozy games super quickly, so I don't know. I've heard a lot of great things about this Zelda Breath of the Wild game, but I've also literally never played any Zelda game ever, so I'm not sure if I would like it. I don't know if I want to spend $70 on it for me to maybe not like it. There's another game I just saw, this new tiny bookshop game. I keep seeing a lot about it, but everyone's kind of saying that it low-key gets a little boring after some time. So I just don't know. You guys, you guys comment any recommendations you have for me so I don't buy it all and then maybe not like it. Oh, it is so cute though. Kind of a doggy. Also, these are just the cutest. I'm obsessed. But honestly, that was pretty good. We customize a lot. I love showing you all the new accessories. If you made it to this point in the video, comment a coffee cup, because if you know, you know. That right there. That's going to be it today for this Tech Thursday video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys on my channel here soon. Bye.